Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Backpack Trader Training Room Crude Oil Inventory Report session for April 23rd, 2025. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, done with the disclosure. Crude in a short. We'll wait for the report in less than 3 minutes. Unleaded also in a short prior to the report. That's gone too far now. Right. That is also the case on the counterpunch 377 tick chart on crude. And there's a new short setup on the 377 tick chart. And money management on the crude, and they're in target, so that one's gone too far, so we'll wait for a new setup there. And there is the report. Still just barely 30 seconds in. I'm looking for a new setup. This is a reaction setup, not what we want. Gone too far anyway and stopped out. So new long setup on both unleaded and 377 counterpunch. All right, unleaded, we know with a short setup. That one we would get in sync with right before our start, and we are in the session now. So that triggers in the unleaded short. Filtered short trade on Spotlight Crude. That is a squeeze zone trade. And we did trigger into that's a reaction trade. I really didn't want to be in that. But if we use this add-on, that's probably a better choice. It's a smaller trade. And now we have that's an exhaustion dot. So we're in the long. I would say we should be in the add-on long trade, not the original. Long trade on Spotlight at 51. And there that one triggers in. All right, just almost to the way there. There's money. Right. That's coming around the... Alright, let's see what we've got on. So we took full stop on unleaded. Transitioned into a long. It got target 1 and trailer. And now we're in the short. Looks like a noisy day. We're also in a short on 377. So actually, well, looks like we'd have stopped out right here for partial on the first trade. So we are in this short right here. Stop and reverse keeping us in the short. We just touched the entry on the long. That is money management. Okay, 61 is a stop and reverse. So we are still in the short. Back over here where... All right, that's where we are. And we have a stop and reverse to short on the 47.44. And it should have been in that now. I will go ahead and set it up. Right now it's heading back the direction we want it to go. And there's money management and target. So we will cancel the stop and reverse. Bring the stop up to 52. Actually, 53. All right, now up to 54. So by mistake, we got target 1 and the trailer and are done. And we are positive on the crude. That was too early, wasn't it? Yeah. Took a full loss on the short. Target one and a trailer. Full loss on the second short. And now in a third short. Yeah. 3 losses and a target one win. Target two traders and having a tough time. Target one trader's not having a good time either because you're still negative. I don't know, maybe not. Let's see, that first trade was 28 tick, risks down 56. You get 35, 36, so you're still down 20. So you still took the last 2 losses. 56, 54. That one is 94. And this one's going to be another stop and reverse. Messy stuff. And we get a stop and reverse at 93. No, I'm sorry. 96. 4-tick stop and reversal unleaded. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 fourth. You're in the fourth trade. Fifth trade possible. Fifth trade setup is there. We did stop and reverse to long. Looks like it got 370. This is the 377 tick. Yeah, it stopped and reversed to long. I'm not sure where we are on 377. And we did stop and reverse on unleaded. $377 is currently flat. Got a partial win there. Unleaded did stop and reverse. I'll follow it out. So that's trade number 5. Just one more trade after this one. We're in mitigate loss mode right now. And there is another stop and reverse. And this will be the final trade. Small loss. Gonna go 64. All right, 377, getting a nice trade on the short side. 10 tick target 2, and probably, let's see what, 15 tick trailer. 14 tick trailer. So that helping the cause there. Unleaded in its last trade. Right back into reaction range from the report. Crude, Spotlight Crude is done. Too many trades that I wasn't watching on the Counterpunch 377 to unravel it without working through quite a bit. Money management on unleaded, at least positive on this trade. That's our second, and looks like target 1. So target 1 traders have picked up two targets in this string of trades. 3 full losses, 1 small stop and reverse. 2 target 1 winners. Definitely going to be a negative session. $7.63. Trailing stop. And now 61. and stopping out at 61. So target 2 traders never did get a target win. Losing session on unleaded, winning session on Spotlight Crude. I think probably a winning session on 377 tick Crude. Okay. Let's go back in and see what we can see real quick. Okay, long there was our first trade. That went to money management. But stopped out right down here before getting to target. Okay, then we pick up the short, and there's around, stays in the short. Doesn't get down to money management. Stops and reverses at 63, which is the full stop. Trails to, so we go to 64, pick up a tick. Again, we didn't get to target. And we didn't take a loss. Now, we took a loss on the stop and reverse. We actually took a full stop. Yeah, full stop out on that short trade. 28 tick loss. And picked up at least 4. And let's see, that one picked up a little more than out of that. $47 to, and I just picked up 2. 49. So actually that's 4. 24. The long we get money management. So we pick up 1. We're down 22. We go short. Get a 10 tick. That's what do we get? 11 tick target. And seven tick trailer. So we got 18. We're down 4. When we go long, money management's up at target 2. And we do get a 10 tick target 2. That gets us positive. So, yep. And we get 3 ticks on the trailer. So 13, we were down 4, we're up 9, and done on the 377. So, positive on the 2 crude charts, loser on unleaded today. Market's very active today. regular session tomorrow. And we will see everybody at 9:30. Questions or comments? And Crude wanting to move up again, looks like. All right. Nobody seems to be putting anything in the chat, so I'm going to call the morning, and we will see everybody at 9:30 tomorrow for our Thursday session.